this video guys. Bayan ng Kalawan guys. Yan, napakaganda guys. Float guys ng Kalawan. Ito guys, ng malaking men. Float ng Kalawan. Napaka-creative guys. Float ng Kalawan guys. Peña Festival. Ito guys. Peña Festival. Napaka-creative guys yung gawa ng bahay guys ng Kalawan. Yes. Ang ganda. Ang ganda guys, napaka-creative guys. Yes, napaka-ganda. Ang ganda guys. Napaka-creative guys yung gawa ng Kalawan. Napakaganda guys.